We are at the Rocco at Eldorado Valley by Richmond American Homes in Southwest Las Vegas. This home features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, over 3,400 square feet of living space, and a 3-car garage. Right when you walk in, you're welcomed by a beautiful courtyard entry that already makes the home feel private and elevated. Let's take a look inside. Inside, the layout is open, bright, and perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. To know more or anything else, message me. Here's my number, and you guys have a blessed day.